Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Tando and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For our returning subscribers, I just want to give you guys like a big hug and big thank you. I completely appreciate the support and time that you guys take in supporting these videos, watching, commenting, liking and sharing. And for anyone who's here for the first time, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to join us over on Instagram. So I'll be sharing more of this type of content rather on the daily and as frequently as possible on my Instagram page. So I would really appreciate it if you guys head on over there and also hit follow over there and see what I do post up on my stories or as posts or as reels, which is rather more frequent, but it's still the same vibe. I'm also trying to introduce more of like a fashion side to everything as well. So I'm hoping that you guys do join me for all the adventures that side as well. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a pantry styling and reveal with all and most of the items that I did purchase from my partnership earlier last month with the Value Company. So hoping that you guys did follow along on that whole ride. I'm going to be linking the reels down below in the description box as well. If you haven't, do go over there, do check it out and give it a like as well, please. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, I'm bringing you guys a follow-up to last week's video of it was an unboxing that I did a week ago. So this is the styling and reveal of the said unboxing. I'm not 100% done yet, so there's stuff that I'm still going to be updating you guys on after the styling. There's stuff that still needs to be like tweaked and a little bit purchased, but we'll see about that. But then again, thank you so much for joining and stay tuned. Hey again guys, this is where we're starting with our pantry makeover. I know there's no organization at all. It's just a throw in catch all at the moment, but do chill with me and my awesome mangwenya as we unpack and clean up the pantry just to prep it for the new styling. So after the first part, this was, I would say, the most difficult part of everything else, where I'd had to sort out what's to be kept, what's to be thrown out, as it probably would have reached an expiry date and I hadn't seen it because it was way in the back of the cupboard. But other than that, it was all smooth sailing from here. After the clean, all that needed to be done was the organization and repacking of the cupboards from the previous haul. As you may have remembered, I'll insert a picture here for you guys to see. Those are a couple of the things that I did buy, and this is just me stacking up all my items that I do have and keep as part of my stockpile. So there's always laundry and there always needs to be laundry detergent. Unfortunately, that's how it goes and that's how it is in this household. So for me not to lose my mind when I'm trying to do the laundry, I have to keep up the stock. And the next couple of items will just be the top-up items that I do have and keep in stock for my pantry as well. So it also includes like a lot of dental care, hygiene, and such toiletries that I do keep around in extra lots. So because sometimes you do get visitors and it so happens that they don't have any of their stuff. So I do like to have an extra toothbrush or two, face cloths, anything that they would really require just to keep themselves fresh while they're here. So guys, now after stacking all my goodies away, I had to find a way to style and order the pantry in a functional and most cohesive way as possible, so that I don't have very little space in the back for my other stockpile items that don't fit into the canisters and storage boxes. So yeah, this was me just playing around with the items that I did buy, and then eventually stocking up my cupboards. Now, as you guys can see, there was a lot of chopping and changing my mind mostly about where these items go. So I did put it down and like stepped back a little bit to take a look at how it feels and how it looks as a space, and if the design flows with its usage. So a lot of things I do put down and then move away again, but all in all, it did end up working out. After changing up my spice bottles, I can fairly say that I'm done, because I've decanted everything else that is an almost everyday use into the canisters, sorted out my juice boxes, and I finally have some peace and order. And here's our final look, guys. This is what I achieved with my partnership with the Value Company and a little bit of organization from my side. Thank you so much again for watching and tuning in. Do join us. Do subscribe if you haven't. And I hope to see you next time again. Do comment below on which of these items are your favorites, and whatever questions you may have for me, I will try to answer. Thanks again. Bye.